conscious mind and subconscious mind. The conscious mind is what I am talking to you. You are all now listening to me. And if I ask you what breakfast you have, you will say whatever you had. And if that is your conscious mind, when you are reading, when you are writing exam, when you are talking to some people, when you are awake, your conscious mind is very much on the job. But 90% of your storage of your entire memory, it is there in the subconscious mind. Only 10% in the conscious mind. What is there in the 10%? You reasoning you will do, analysis you will do, decisions you take, and critical thinking you do. These are all you do with your conscious mind. But what is there in the subconscious mind? Values, beliefs, habits, emotions, imagination, intuition, fears. These are all there in the subconscious mind. Where these things have come into, it is right from your childhood. Right from your childhood, these are all slowly get into your mind and they just go into your subconscious mind and be there. And most of the times, even if you are acting in a conscious state, you act subconsciously because of your value systems, belief systems, and habits, emotions, imagination, and intuition and fears. For example, you have a fear. The worst thing in the life is fear of failure, fear of losing somebody, fear of not being appreciated. That sort of fear, it is there right from the beginning in your subconscious mind. But if you conquer that fear, then you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. Then this is subconscious mind is also called as a subjective mind and conscious mind as an objective mind. Let me tell you the power of your subconscious mind. You got a tremendous power, and there is one book on this subject, that is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. What this says, I read this long ago, decades ago. What this says, you can do whatever you want to do. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve. Suppose all of you are now going to get some jobs. You want a particular job, you have selected a job, now you want that job. That is possible. You will have to awaken your subconscious mind. How do you awaken your subconscious mind? See, subconscious mind is very, very active the moment you wake up and get up from your bed. From the time you wake up and until you get up from the bed, that is the time your subconscious mind is very, very, very active. Then there is another time, that is just before sleeping, just before going into deep sleep. That is these two times. If you feed to your mind every day in and day out, these two particular times, maybe 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, 5 to 10 minutes just before going to bed, if you feed very strongly your wishes, your desires of getting particular job, doing something, whatever you want to do and achieve, then definitely that will get manifested. Manifested means you can get that. If you get time, then you can get a copy of this or a PDF soft copy and just see. This is my recommendation to you.